Today I'm going to be showing you a quick and easy way to peel tomatoes and peaches using your Instant Pot. Hi, I'm Karen Peterson and I own the blog 365daysofcrockpot.com. I share Instant Pot and slow cooker recipes with you pretty much for every day of the year. Over here on YouTube, I love to share Instant Pot stuff with you, and today I'm going to be sharing you a quick tip that might help you this summer with some of that summer produce that you're going to have. And it's how to get peaches peeled really quickly and tomatoes too. So the first thing that you're going to do is put 1 cup of water in your Instant Pot. Then add in a steamer basket, or if you have a trivet, you can use that too. I like this steamer basket. I can put the link to it in the notes below. First thing that we're gonna do is peaches. So add in as many peaches as you want. I just have 2 right now just to show you how it works, but you can add as many as will fit. Cover the pot. Make sure the valve is set to sealing. And then click the manual button or the pressure cook button, whichever your model has. Each model is a little different. And then use the minus button to go all the way down to 0 minutes. Once the pot beeps and it has come to pressure, you're going to release the pressure as quick as you can by moving the valve to venting. Then carefully remove the lid and use tongs to get those peaches out and place them soft in a bowl of ice water. We're gonna do the same thing with the tomatoes. If you're gonna be bottling tomatoes or making salsa or something and you need the skins off, this is a really fast and easy way to do that. So it's the same thing, 1 cup of water, pile the tomatoes in, and then a 0 pressure cook time. All right, once those peaches are cold to the touch, you can just use your fingers to peel off the skins really fast and easy. And then you can use this for peach cobbler or peach crisp or peaches and ice cream. Just tons of different ways to use peaches this summer, and they are so good when they're fresh and ripe. Nothing like a good peach. Once the tomatoes are done, you're gonna do the same thing, just drop them into an ice bath. And I forgot to say this, but before I even put them in the Instant Pot, I took out the little stems. Just after a couple minutes, you can just take the peels off, just as easy as that. And your tomatoes are ready for whatever you have in store for them. Spaghetti sauce, tomato soup, whatever.